With no preparation time for you or your patient, Opalescence Go is ready to use right out of the package. The thin, pre-filled trays are easy to position on the teeth, and they comfortably adapt to any smile, offering a custom-like fit first molar to first molar on both arches. In accordance with the new European Union Cosmetic Directive, the first application of Opalescence Go must be done in the dental clinic under the dentist's supervision. Following the first application, Opalescence Go can be distributed to the patient to complete the treatment. The patient should understand that using Opalescence Go involves 4 simple steps. Remove Opalescence Go from the package. Center the tray on the upper or lower arch. Suck down or swallow to secure the tray on the teeth. Once the tray is secured, remove the colored outer tray and swallow again. Opalescence Go features a 6% hydrogen peroxide concentration and should be worn once a day for 60 to 90 minutes. Your patients can expect brilliant results in 5 to 10 days.
Your smile is how you share your personality with the world. But yellow or stained teeth can keep even the most brilliant personalities hidden. Opalescence Go whitening treatment helps erase yellowing and stains, whether they're caused by genetics or lifestyle choices. It delivers maximum strength, dentist-approved whitening at an affordable price. Unlike most over-the-counter whitening treatments, which can take 2 weeks or longer to improve your smile, Opalescence Go whitening provides visible results in just 5 to 10 days. Simply wear one of the comfortable trays for 15 to 90 minutes a day and you'll see brilliant results fast. It's revolutionary whitening that's ready to go and easy to fit into your busy lifestyle. Ask your dentist about Opalescence whitening products today and let your personality shine bright.